Hey, this is Subhan from WeTech Security. We are back with another upgrade. Today we are here in White Rock. So as you can see, this beautifully installed panel, right? Really sleek. What the Strata had before is just the regular landline. Every unit had telephone plugged into their unit. So when someone calls them, they press 6 or 9 to unlock the door. If they are outside of the building, they cannot grant access. So it's impossible to receive the deliveries when you're outside of the building, right? We talk about all the time about how cool features are, like let's say the video calling, the access control, and then all the other features. What we don't talk about is the security aspect of it. So today I want to focus more on the security aspect of this intercom, right? So this one has a motion alert. So what that means is, like, let's say the council member, based on their need, so like let's say after 11 p.m. if someone spends more than 60 seconds or 120 seconds, it's totally customizable up to the building needs. If someone spends more than 2 minutes in front of this camera after 11 p.m., then the council member, the security guard, or you have a security personnel inside the building, they would receive an automatic alarm on their cell phone. So they can actually see the person who's been loitering for 120 seconds after 11 p.m. And if someone spends more than 2-3 minutes after 11 p.m. in front of the intercom, they're not up to any good, right? So that's the motion alert. This is how it works. So it's totally customizable. As I said, you can set it as like 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. It depends on your foot traffic around your building or stuff like that, right? Now another feature that I wanted to talk about is this panel has an inbuilt alarm onto that. What that means is, when the system is up in online, it's mounted. If someone tries to vandalize the system, so like let's say if somebody tried to take this panel out, and this one has a door, like it has a contact onto that. So as soon as this separates from the base, you will see this backlight here, it will start to flash, right? And then there is a speaker here, it will make a crazy loud sound, right? So it works as a deterrent, and at the same time the security personnel would get the notification on their phone as well that there is a tamper on the system, so they can take actions based on that. So these are very important aspect of the intercom. We don't usually get those in the traditional steel boxes, right? Now along with all the cool features, we have talked about all the features in detail in other videos as well. So same thing, this building did not have any key, though they had a key. So this building did not have any access control system, they didn't have any fob system, right? So when they reached out for the intercom, they actually got 2-in-1. So now they have a beautiful looking video intercom, and they have the fob system. They can use the Bluetooth, NFC, and all the other Siri and everything that there are so many different options. So it depends on a resident, right? Whatever option they like, they can go for that, right? Another thing, we're gonna take you to the gate part, and then we're gonna show you how we integrated the existing gate control into this system. So when we talk about the gate control, we don't actually install any device at the gate. This intercom can control up to 3 doors or gate. So we have this front door here, and then the gate can be controlled straight from here. So let's say once we take out the old system, and if we see the wires behind it, there are extra pairs, then we can use it as a other door, as we can use it as a other gate, right? So this is exactly what we did here. Without installing any equipment at the gate part, we have just integrated the gate and the front door all in just one device. So it will dramatically reduce the cost, because we don't have to install anything at the gate part, right? You can still open all the gate from the application, and then your existing remote will continue to work. If your building has key, then it will just continue to work. So another good feature that just came in the recent upgrade is in the directory, there is actually 2 options now. You can enable that 2 options. So the one is a calling feature. So when someone presses that, the resident just receives this regular call. But if they are not responding to the call, then the system would automatically ask the visitor to leave a message, and then visitor at that time can leave a message that this is Amazon, we tried to attempt the delivery at this time. And then as soon as they finish the voice message, the resident in the apartment, they would get a notification on their Smart Plus application. They can actually see that person, and then they can actually listen to the message that left by the Amazon driver or the delivery personnel. So now we're walking towards the gate. So we're just going to quickly show you what we did there and how it opens it from the application, right? The important part is the existing remotes are still working. So nothing is forced onto the residents. If they like to use the application Siri, they can definitely do that. But if they like the old school way, which was the remote, you have that option as well. So now we're approaching the gate, and we are going to quickly show you how it opens with the application, right? So we have explained you how the Apple shortcut works and everything like that. So in this application, I have two options here. I have the front door and the gate. And then if I want to unlock the gate, I can just press this here and hit unlock, right? And as you can see, the gate is opening up now. Right, so there are so many other features as well. So you can, of course, you can add Siri to it. If you have a CarPlay, then you can just say voice activate. Like you can say, "Hey Siri, open the gate," and that will just open the gate. You can set the geofencing. You can pin the location and set automation. When I reach at this location, execute this, meaning open this gate. So when you pull in, the Apple shortcut will automatically trigger the gate, and then you go in. Yeah, that's the end of the video. And then if you're looking to upgrade your existing access control system, or you have an intercom system which is very old and you want the video functionality and you want the mobile application, you can always visit our website, WeTechSecurity.com. There are so many videos. We try to post it every single day. You can visit our YouTube channel as well. There are so many project walkthroughs just like this one. There are so many FAQ videos you can take a look. And then if you need more information after that, you can always call me at 778-956-2786. Thank you.